Welcome to this video about the latest 1Password update. Version 8. 10.0 brings hundreds of new features and improvements to the iOS and Mac apps, which are also coming to the Android, PC, and Linux platforms. This update is full of useful features such as the new customizable home screen of the iOS app, where you can pin certain items for quick access, as well as the ever-present navigation bar, allowing you to access items across all of your accounts. The search feature has also been improved greatly, allowing you to find anything you need within the manager faster and easier. For an extra layer of security, the new update offers the revamped Watchtower feature, the dark web monitoring tool, designed to detect if any of your credentials have been leaked in a data breach and alert you accordingly. You can also use it to get an overall security score for your entire vault, evaluating your performance based on if you have any weak passwords, inactive two-factor authentication, and more. You can now add a security question field to one of your items and have the answers randomly generated, as well as create collections for your different vaults for easy organization. And autofilling all the information stored in your vault is now faster, making it more user-friendly. For more details on the new updates and a full list of all the changes, you can head to 1Password's blog post for the iOS and Mac versions. It's the perfect tool if you're looking to keep your firm secure, so make sure to sign up to the Tech Radar Pro newsletter to make the most of your business.